Meaning of gastric.
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 Gastric. The word gastric relates to the stomach or the digestive system. It is commonly used to describe anything that pertains to digestion, including the processes that occur within the stomach and intestines. In medical terminology, gastric is often used in reference to gastric ulcers, which are sores that can develop in the lining of the stomach due to the overproduction of stomach acid. Overall, the term gastric is associated with anything related to the stomach and digestive system, including digestive disorders, symptoms, and treatments.